In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the OpenAI node to N8N and connect it in just a few simple steps. First, open your N8N workflow and click the plus button to add a new node. Search for OpenAI and select the OpenAI node from the list. Next, you'll need to connect your OpenAI account. Click Create New Credential, then paste your OpenAI API key into the API key field. If you don't have an API key yet, you can create one from your OpenAI account dashboard. After pasting your key, save the credential and select it in the OpenAI node. Now you can choose the operation you want, such as generating text, summarizing content, or using one of OpenAI's latest models for your workflow. Once everything is configured, click Execute Node to test the connection. If the setup is correct, you'll see the response returned directly inside N8N. And that's it! You've successfully connected the OpenAI node to N8N, and you're ready to start building AI-powered automations. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.